Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can recover your Zangi account. In order to do so, here we are in the Zangi app, and if you try to log in without the correct password, you're going to see this message, which says, if you forgot your password, it's not possible to recover due to anonymous sign-up. Please tap register to register a new account or try again. If you had premium subscription and lost access, please contact support@zangi.com with the title premium. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description for this video, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find links to our X page. We'd love to have you there. And also you will find our top AI recommendations. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.